Here we have a block of mass 4 kilograms. It's connected to a light scale pan by a light inextensible string which passes over a smooth fixed pulley. The light pan holds two blocks, one of 1 kilogram and another of 2 kilograms as shown in the diagram. It says draw diagram showing all the forces acting on the 3 blocks. Write down equations of motion of each of the 3 blocks, and then find the acceleration of the system, the tension in the string, the reaction force between the 1 and 2 kilogram blocks, and the reaction between the 2 kilogram block and the scale pan. Okay, so there's a diagram of the whole system. So we'll take the 4 kilogram. So we'll obviously have a tension in the string acting upwards, and we have a 4 kilogram, 4 times G acting downwards. As this is 4 and it's weighs more than 1 and 2, and the pan is light, so it doesn't have any weight, obviously the system is going to move this way, so we're going to have an acceleration acting that way. For the 1 kilogram block, we're going to have the weight of the block, which is just going to be 1g, which we'll just write as g. And now there will be a reaction between this block resting on this block, which we're going to call R1. And R1 is the reaction between the 1 and 2 kilogram blocks. The acceleration will be acting upwards because this one's going downwards. The acceleration here will be upwards. The 2 kilogram block, which is this one here, okay, we're going to have the 2g acting downwards. We're going to have the opposite force for the reaction of this one, which is going to be R1 acting downwards from Newton's third law. And we're going to also have a reaction between the 2 kilogram block and the scale pan, which is R2. Okay, so drawing these all out separately is quite important. Right, so now coming up with the 3 equations of motion, A obviously acting upwards as well here. So for the 4 kilogram block, okay, because the acceleration is acting downwards on this one, we're going to do 4g minus t is equal to ma, which is going to be 4 times a. For the, call that equation 1. For the 1 kilogram block, this one here, now this is going upwards, so we're going to be R1 minus g is equal to mass, which is 1 times acceleration, which we'll just write as a. And then for the 2 kilogram block, we got, and it's moving upwards, this one, like this one, so it's going to be R2. Now against it, it's going to be R1 minus 2g, and that's going to be equal to 2 times the acceleration. We'll call that equation 3. Right, so we've now got to find the acceleration, the tension, the value of R1, which is the reaction between the 1 kilogram and 2 kilogram block, and the value of R2, which is the reaction between the 2 kilogram block and the scale pan. Okay, to do that, you have to consider the scale pan and the 1 and 2 kilogram blocks as one object. So we're going to treat this now as just one object. So its total weight is 3 kilogram. The pan scale is light, so it has no weight. So the forces acting on that will be the tension acting upwards and the 3g acting downwards. And we're going to have an acceleration acting upwards. Okay, so here we're going to have the tension minus 3g is equal to ma, which is 3a, and we'll call that equation 4. Now from this, we can actually calculate, with equation 1, we can now actually calculate the acceleration. So writing down equation 1 from the previous part again, and then adding 1 plus 4, we're going to have t minus t will cancel out, and then we'll have 4 plus 4g minus 3g is equal to 3a plus 4a, which is equal to 7a. So that will now allow me to calculate a, because g, 4 minus 3, will give me 1g is equal to 7a. and therefore A will be G over 7, if we want an exact answer, or the decimal equivalent 1.4 meters per second squared. Okay, so now substituting this into equation 4, so we're going back and put it into equation 4, the value of A. So we're going to have t minus 3g is equal to 3 times my value of A, which is 1.4. So it gives me t will be equal to 3 times 1.4 plus 3g, which will give me that t is 33.6 newtons. So the tension in the string is 36 newtons. The acceleration of the system is 1.4 meters per second squared. Substituting into equation 2, which was R1 minus G is equal to A. So we've got R1 minus G is equal to my value of A, which is 1.4. So R1 will be equal to 1.4 plus G. R1 will now be 11.2 newtons, taking G to be 9.8. And then we now substitute that all into equation 3. Equation 3 was R2 minus R1 minus 2G is equal to 2A. So we're going to have R2 minus my value from here, which is 11.2, minus 2G is equal to 2 times the acceleration, 2 times 1.4, which gives that R2 is 2 times 1.4 plus 11.2 plus 2g, which gives R2 being 33.6 newtons. So the acceleration is 1.4 meters per second squared. The tension in the string we've calculated in the previous part, but we know that R1, the reaction between the 1 kilogram block and the 2 kilogram block, is 11.2, and the reaction between the 2 kilogram block and the scale pan is 33.6. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to resolve a system of forces over a pulley where 2 blocks are stacked into a scale pan. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.